everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha, guys. Welcome. I'm so happy to be back. This is my official I'm back vlog, okay? Well, video. A lot has been happening. I know I've been gone for a while. The last video I posted was the vlog for Trinidad Carnival, like me getting to Trinidad back in February. And I posted the Private Ryan Soca Baby boat ride vlog, which was a blast. So I just need to edit everything that I have. I want to just take this opportunity to say thank you to you guys for rocking with your girl. Thank you to everyone that came along with me for Carnival 2023 with Mickisha Vibes. Thank you guys for trusting with your girl and coming along. We had a blast, and yes. I actually have a new position at work as well, which I started back in October. That has been taking up a lot of my time, but I want to get back into things. I want to start back doing makeup looks. I want to edit out these carnival vlogs. I'm just sitting on this dope footage. So far, as we're speaking right now, I actually edit my next 2 vlogs that I'm going to post. Well, it's already on YouTube, but I just have to make it go live. Is Kes. Kes is We Concert. Kes was a vibe, and it was almost an hour long after I edit everything. He had a really good concert slash show. Patrice was there, Olatunji was there, Iwa was there, Voice was there, like who was not there? Shaggy was there, Busy was there, he had Lord Nelson there. It was a really great show. So it ended up being an hour worth of footage. So I actually uploaded it as a part 1 and a part 2, so you guys can see everything. Like Kes does his thing every time. Did not disappoint at all. So I have that coming up. And your girl got married, so it's official. I'm a wife. We did our destination wedding in Jamaica last month in April. So we did our destination wedding. It was beautiful. I'll post a little reel right over here. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. I did do some behind the scenes. I haven't gotten my official video back yet. I need to email them. I haven't gotten that official video back yet. So I want to see how that all looks. And you guys know I'm very private when it comes to my relationship and stuff. So I can't wait to share some, not everything, but some key stuff and moments with you guys. But it was beautiful. It was a beautiful day. It did not rain. So I had family come in from Trinidad, and it was amazing. It really was. So both of our families were represented very well. We actually spent a week in Jamaica. So we stayed about 3 days after the wedding. I can't wait to share all of that with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see whatever footage I have, like me picking my dress, different like vlogs and stuff that I've done throughout the time. So I got engaged last year, July, and we got married in April, and we chose Jamaica. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, let me know. I have the carnival stuff coming up. Yeah, a whole bunch of carnivals is coming up in between now and September. There's a lot of carnivals happening, and I'm excited to see what everybody is doing. I did see that bands are still having issues like getting costumes in. I'm like, I feel for you guys, definitely. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's timing or what, but yeah. And I have not been ignoring you guys. I seen messages like, girl, where are you? Where have you been? Your girl is officially back, okay? I am back. And I did get a couple questions asking me if I know about any other carnival bands, any other, well, carnival groups, concierge groups. I don't personally know any people that's doing any groups. I know I'm not doing a group next year, but I'll do some more research. I just don't want to put you guys onto someone and stuff doesn't work out, and then I feel bad because that's my name, because you guys are going with them because of me. So just give me a little bit longer. Let me do some more research and see if I'm gonna put out any groups. But if you're trying to go to Trinidad Carnival, I'll do a separate video on where you should stay and things like that as of right now if you want to try to do it by yourself. It is possible to do it by yourself, but it's definitely a lot of work, especially when there's fetes and stuff happening and you have to go pick up juve packages or pick up your costume, or your costume is not ready. Like my sister Donna and I, we did all of that running around, and so I know it's a lot and I understand why it's best to go with a group, but it's still possible if you do it on your own. But that's for another video. I just want to come here really quickly and say your girl is back. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna link a registry, a wedding registry down in the description bar. If you guys wanna gift us anything, you can do it through that way. It's gonna be an Amazon registry. I'll just link it down below. So editing these vlogs and videos after a trip, it feels like I'm reliving every single moment and every single detail. Like I was smiling from ear to ear editing that test vlog that I did, that you guys gonna see really soon. The same day this comes out or the day after, you guys will see that video. It's like so surreal to like rewatch everything and relive everything, and yeah. Some things, some details that I didn't really see that got picked up, that the camera picked up, was good as well. So yeah, so that's the gist of it. Your girl is back. Thank you so much for sticking it out with me. And I do have any video ideas that you have, leave it in the comment section down below. Any questions that you have, post it here. I'll be happy to answer, happy to let you guys know whatever I know, whatever knowledge I have. And it's not too late if you want to go to Trinidad Carnival for 2024 next year. That content coming out pretty soon for you guys, right after we get through all the carnival vlogs for 2023. I'll have that. Maybe I might put some stuff out in between, who knows. But yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Your girl is still here, okay? Help me get back into the algorithm of things. Like my videos, comment, share my videos. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.